All right, y'all. So this is just a quick video just to put y'all on something. So I'm in Walmart, okay? And they got, I had never seen these grow light bulbs, okay? This is for if you want to grow indoors or even in your greenhouse. Them days where we just don't get no sun like it is here. It is just rainy and bushy and all that stuff. So they have, this is the 25 high output, and this is the bigger one, the 30 high output. They range from just say $11 to $13, okay? And then Great Value have some too. So check y'all. They even have this one right here, this long one for $30. So you can get one of those little clamp shop lights and put them bulbs in, and it'll be just fine to hook over your seedlings or your plants. So make sure you check out Walmart for y'all grow light bulbs, okay? I like the white light. I don't like these colored bulbs, that pink and all that. That's like for blooming and stuff, they say, and it don't work. I feel like it don't work. So I like the white light, and that's what these are, the white light. So just wanted to pop on, give you this short video so y'all know what to look for, okay?